Today I am going to start the chapter Remainder Theorem and Factor Theorem. This is the 8th chapter in your textbook prescribed for you, Goyal Brothers. In this textbook, it's 8th chapter. What is Remainder Theorem and what is Factor Theorem? Here is the definition for Factor Theorem. If f of x is a polynomial in x and a be a real number such that f of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of f of x. This is the definition for factor theorem. What is f of x? Function in x. The problems what we are going to do, it will be in second degree polynomial or third degree polynomial. We are having up to third degree polynomial in our syllabus. Still fourth degree, fifth degree are there, but we are having up to third degree polynomial. What is this factor theorem? I will give you a small example. 8 divided by 2. 2, when it is divided by 8, it goes 4 times. 2 4s are 8 and the remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, then we can say or we can tell or we can write 2 is a factor of 8. This is called factor theorem. 2 is a factor of 8. Why 2 goes 4 times and the remainder we got 0. Next, coming to the remainder theorem. If f of x is a polynomial in x and a is a real number such that f of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is f of a. Here also the same polynomial f of x. Function in x. If it is f of y, the function will be in y. If it is f of z, the function will be in z. Now, to understand that, for this remainder theorem, 9 divided by 2. 2 goes 4 times. So, from 9 we subtract 8 and we get 1 as remainder. So, the remainder is 1. Therefore, 2 is not a factor of 9. Here, 2 is a factor. This is factor theorem. If it is a factor and we get a remainder 0, then we will tell it is a factor theorem. If the remainder other than 0, then we call it as remainder, and this is remainder theorem. So, today's chapter is remainder theorem and factor theorem. We are going to do the problems from exercise 8a onwards. Exercise 8a, using remainder theorem, find the remainder when. This is the first problem. F of x, I already told you. Function in x, 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is divisible by x minus 2. F of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 7. Here the function is in x. The function is in x. So everything x terms. This is called second degree polynomial. When the power is 2, it is second degree polynomial. This power is 3, it is third degree polynomial. Now, is divided by x minus 2. We have to equating x minus 2 for 0. Minus 2, when it goes that side, it becomes plus 2. Now, in the place of x, we are going to substitute 2. F of 2 is equal to 3 into, in the place of x, we are writing 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 7. That is equal to 3 into 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. This is one term. Keep a bracket. Minus 5 into 2. This is second term. Plus 7. 3 4s are 12. Minus 5 2s 10. Plus 7. 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Here we got 9. We did not get 0. So this is not divisible. Therefore, not equal to 0. X minus 2 is not a factor of f of x. Now it is clear. It is not equal to 0. If we get 0, then we will write is a factor. Here we got remainder as 9 when we divided x minus 2 with this second degree polynomial. We got remainder as 9. So therefore x minus 2 is not a factor of f of x. Understood? Second problem for homework. Same method, same way. Now I am doing third one. Next fourth one will be homework, and again fifth one I will do. Alternate problems. Third problem. F of x is equal to 5x cube minus 12x square plus 17x minus 6. This is third degree polynomial. Power is 3, third degree. Before I did second degree, now third degree. Is divided by x minus 1. So first of all we are going to equating x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 goes that side, plus 1. If you keep plus or not keeping also no problem. So here in the place of x you are going to substitute 1. 5 into 1 cube minus 12 into 1 square plus 17 into 1 minus 6. 1 how many times if you multiply also 1. So 5 into 1 minus 12 into 1 plus 17 into 1 minus 6. Now 5 1 is 5 minus 12 1 is 12 plus 17 1 is 17 minus 6. Now add positive. 5 plus 17. How much? 20. How much? 22. Minus 12 minus 6 minus 18. So 22 minus 18 is 4. Is it equal to 0? No. So not equal to 0. What you are going to conclude? Therefore x minus 1 is not a factor of f of x function in x, in this polynomial. So here also in this problem also we did not get 0. When we get 0 only it will be a factor, that is factor theorem. Then it will be a factor. Here we did not get answer as 0, so it is not a factor of f of x. Fourth problem homework. Now fifth problem. F of x is equal to 8x cube minus 16x square plus 14x minus 5 is divided by 2x minus 1. Equating 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 1 goes that side, plus 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2. So in the place of x, we are going to substitute 1 by 2. 8 into 1 by 2 whole cube minus 16 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 14 into 1 by 2 minus 5. Now 8 into 1 by 2 whole cube. This cube is for numerator and for denominator also. 1 cube means 1, 2 cube means 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is first term. Minus is there. Minus 16 into 1 square means 1 1 is 1. 2 square. 2 2s are 4. Here plus is there. Plus 14 into 1 by 2 minus 5. 8 goes in 8 one time. 1 1 is 1. 4 goes in 16 4 times. 4 1 is 4. Here minus is there. Minus 4. Here 2 goes 7 times. So plus 7 1 is 7. Minus 5. First add positives. 1 plus 7 is 8. Minus 4 minus 5 is 9. Now you got 8 minus 9 is minus 1. And this is also not equal to 0. Therefore, 2x minus 1 is not a factor. Not a factor of f of x.